Developing right now, Hunter Biden's plea deal on federal tax charges falls apart. The president's son walked into federal court today in Wilmington, prepared to plead guilty to the tax charges in exchange for probation. But this deal unraveled, and it's now on hold for the moment. CBS News Philadelphia reporter Howard Monroe has been covering the proceedings down there in Wilmington, and he tells us now exactly what happened. Howard.
Well, Natasha, many accepted today's hearing, to be sure, with the judge accepting the plea deal that was brokered between Biden's lawyers and also the Justice Department. However, 3 hours later, the judge refused to make a decision, and now this case is in limbo. Now, Biden showed up to court today expecting to enter guilty pleas to tax charges and agree to enter a diversion program in lieu of pleading guilty to a felony gun possession count. The charges were filed in June and includes 2 misdemeanor counts of willful failure to pay federal income tax and a third for possession of a handgun by a drug user. It would have been erased from his record if he stayed drug-free and didn't commit any additional crimes for 2 years. Some Republicans called the deal a slap on the wrist, saying that he was getting preferential treatment, and if he wasn't the president's son, he wouldn't have gotten that agreement. The judge, who was appointed by former President Donald Trump, deferred judgment, so she didn't accept nor decline the agreement. Instead, the two sides have to come up with another solution and file legal documents as to why this agreement is justified. The agreement would have also allowed Biden to avoid jail time. However, after this deal fell apart, he ended up pleading not guilty, and a date has not yet been set for when he's due back in court, but we expect that to be within the next month or so. Now, Biden was expected to speak here after he left court. However, when this deal unraveled, he refused to speak with reporters and instead got into his SUV and drove away. Live in Wilmington, Howard Monroe, CBS News, Philadelphia. Back to you in the studio.
All right, Howard, thank you so much.